Hello, welcome to my new video. In this video, we are going to unbox a die-cast metal car. It is a 1:55 scale model car. It has a well-designed box. So let's open the box. So here it is. It is a cute Porsche 918 Spyder. The Porsche 918 Spyder is a high-performance sports car manufactured by German marque Porsche. The 918 Spyder is a plug-in hybrid powered by a mid-mounted naturally aspirated 4.6-liter V8 engine. This is a two-door racing car. This is a pullback action toy car. The 918 Spyder has a highest speed of 352 km per hour. So if you like my video, please click on the like button. Subscribe my channel for more new videos. To know your review on this model, please use the comment box. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed the video. So till our next video, bye.